now solving that steam turbine. Just we have mentioned inlet is that pressure value is 2 bar and temperature value is this much. Remember? Yes, we have forgot about.
Yes, sir, we remember.
So this is a inlet condition. Base of inlet condition we can categorize low, medium, and high turbine. Okay. So if I think you remember. Just I'm consider high value. If superheated steam, what is a value of superheated steam? Generally, you talk about superheated steam.
Temperature.
Temperature is very high. If I'm saying here in 500 degree, you can say generally if you know about steam table, generally you can say definitely sir this is a superheated steam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that this is a categorize of the steam turbine. Okay, don't worry about this flow and that impellant reaction. I will tell you to but that pressure compound, velocity compound, and this type of theory part will be seen when we will start the steam turbine section. Yes. Okay. Any confusion of that steam turbine? Okay. So next is we can come into the gas turbine. Okay. One guy is asking now, sir, when using now. See first category of the gas turbine. Just wait. So first gas turbine, just we are categorizing in cycle path. Okay, if you see, we can categorize open cycle, closed cycle, and semi-cycle. GT means is a gas turbine. Just remember is here. Okay, so previous slide I will show you only open cycle gas turbine picture. Okay, we have also closed cycle turbine. Semi-cycle also we have. According to the application, we can design this type of turbine. Okay. Now second is according to the process heat absorbing. These cycles are working in constant pressure or constant volume, both. And third is again, I think I will show you the in gas turbine stage na similar here, single stage, multi-stage, and also here in this turbine single shaft and multi-shaft also based upon. Okay, now come to the application part. This GT turbine very commonly used in heavy application, light application. I will tell you heavy and light means that. In heavy application, this type of turbine we can use in our power plants. Okay, thermal power plants also you can use, and somewhere but that is a heavy duty application. Light duty in application you can see in your aircraft engine. Okay, also if you categorize based upon applications, stationary, sometimes that turbine used in stationary, locomotive, marine. I say in the this marine example. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, what?
Marine. Yes, marine example is water also that this turbine is used. Okay, and transport also that transport the aircraft and this type of thing is coming. Okay, so this is a classification of gas turbine. Now you see, sir, how to the open turbine, closed turbine. This I will show you the picture of open turbine and gas turbine here. See, in this slide, first picture, this left hand side, it shows that open gas turbine. Okay, open gas turbine. So open gas turbine, I think this is a compressor. That is a, I'm writing air compressor. Air come from ambient, and that air come from ambient with low pressure, but is out from this compressor is very high pressure, and come is a combustion chamber. Fuel is come from this side. Combustion is start, and that pressure and high temperature value is come into turbine section. And turbine is here is a blades, multi-stage blade 1 and 2. two-stage blade. This is a one and this is a two stage. So that where somewhere is our application. Okay, that is an exhaust. This is a open cycle turbine. Now the second picture shows that closed cycle turbine picture. So same applications, just you see here, but this time that air is whatever fluid is come, that gas come from this section, but just you can compression. Okay, the compression will work same. He increase the pressure, and here is the combustion chamber. You can understand that combustion is a start and go to the turbine section, and again that exhaust is come from one type of device. This type of device what happen in first picture the exhaust is come from ambient, but in this second picture just we use that exhaust gases, because if you see in the exhaust gases temperature is very high. Maybe the temperature may be like this 250 degree or maybe 350 degree. So that is a, so that temperature is we have to heat exchanger. Your cooler is a heat exchanger. Like heat is removing, that heat we can use somewhere. Again that flow is come to the compressor. This is a closed cycle. Okay. So is that clear? In GT we have the many type of gas turbine, closed, open and semi-open. I will show you when you start the gas turbine semi-open that picture. But important thing is here will already written. You should know about as a mechanical engineer, because it is, if you go in the industry and if you attempt many like interview for your placement, so you should remember in GT thermal efficiency is only 20 to 30%. If I'm comparing in modern steam turbine power plants, that modern steam power plants is the 30 means 38 to 32, but that number will be increased 42. Right now we can say this is a 42, 42 means this is a number of steam power plants. But in the future we are trying to that that number will be go to the 45 at least. That engineer always trying this thing. So that's why that GT gas turbine application, design of application, because if you say in sir why you're using aircraft, because aircraft one interesting thing that what is the benefit of this gas turbine? Just one benefit, we can get high RPM as comparing any other turbine. That is a one benefit of this turbine. You know RPM?
Yes, sir.
Rotating shaft power. That's why if you see the bloat engine aircraft, we can use this turbine, because there we require very high RPM applications. Okay, high RPM. That's why we in aircraft you require high RPM, high impact, thrust impact also, this type of thing. So we can design that application. But efficiency part of is very low. That's why if you see in any petroleum power plants, na, where petroleum in marine also you see the petroleum this thing. There you can use this gas turbine, because there is lot of fuels, natural fuel and this type of waste is there. We can use this gas turbine for any source of loads. Okay, depend upon source of load. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. High time. Okay, just we have 5 minutes. I will finish this thermal parts. Now we come into thermal. So sorry, hydro turbine classification. So basically, hydro turbine classification depends first two categories, like energy category means energy impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Please remember this, impulse and reactions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So impulse turbine we category come in Pental turbine. Please remember Pental. Okay, I'm saying that Pental, France, Kepler, these are the scientists who are designing the turbine. Okay, so Pental turbine, category of reaction turbine, V category, two category, France fan side turbine, Kepler turbine. Now, in we will be see when we are starting that this hydro turbine section deeply. We can see how to calculate the efficiency, how to blade, and this type. Everything theory part will be seen. Okay, don't worry. But interesting thing of that that thing. This is the ability of the water height. Is all also we can head. We generally call head. What is head? I will show you. Head is indicate only that thing. Okay. Suppose when you storage is water, na, so we called head. This is that clear? This is head. Indicate
Yes.
head.
Yes, sir.
Stability you can say also. Okay. Vertical. So in all turbine, basically that is a very common parameter. If you see ventral turbine, water availability of the height, yeah, head is more than 50 meter. Okay. Front side 10 to 50 meter. Capable and propeller. Propeller I will show you. Capable and propeller turbine is 10 meter. So that is our requirement of running that turbine. Okay. So now next PPT I will show you just picture. So first is I will show you fan side turbine. I think you people know what very confusing about the how flow is come, but this is our that flow come this side and come to the strike, and that will be rotor part. And blade part is connected with shaft and is rotating. Shaft will connect to generator and go there and come there and leave it that direction. Battle is very simple. I will already show you first picture in the slide. That blade rotating part is rotating. That is complainer. Complainer also flow is coming and this side is coming and going this side. So these are the name of turbine. But you are confusing about the flow, what is the flow and this thing. So definitely I will show you. Then you can clear how to the flow behavior come in the French and pattern and Keppel turbine. So I think tomorrow I will show you that this flow reaction turbine, flow direction turbine, and also I will show you something. Today, if you have any doubt regarding that classification